All right, let's find something going up as stocks are under pressure with over half an hour left. Let's go to GitLab after earnings from yesterday. The shares are up big, making a comeback after a volatile year. Business reported numbers that beat expectation, raised the guidance. The CFO joins us, Brian Robins. Shares up almost 20% as a result. Brian, welcome back to the show.
Thanks, Oliver. Thanks for having us back this quarter.
So this has been a really interesting year for your sector, for the company too, and you delivered a really big number here right when the market has been punishing a lot else in the category. What put you guys on that trajectory?
Yeah, thanks for the question. Before we jump in, I just want to let the viewers know what GitLab does.
Sure, hit us.
Yeah, GitLab's a platform that helps enterprises create software faster and more securely. We have an AI-powered solution that makes coding easier, improve how teams work together, and also integrate security across the entire development lifecycle. And so, we had a great quarter. Obviously, you can see it in the stock price reaction. We've been doing callbacks today with investors. They were really happy with the clean print across the quarter. We grew revenue 31% year over year, and we did that with increasing operating leverage. We've been very consistent in the messaging. Number one thing is we want to do is grow, but we'll do that responsibly.
That's something we've talked about in the past as being really important, is measuring the growth with margins, with consciousness on the bottom line. Do you feel you stand out compared to your peers in that sense?
I think we're doing a good job on executing in a $40 billion TAM. Us and our closest competitor is less than 5% of the market. Such a huge marketplace, and the results that we generate for our customers are remarkable. Two things that happened this quarter that I'd like to call out is one, there was two MQs that came out from Gartner. The first one was on AI code assistance, and we're named a leader in that Gartner Magic Quadrant. Another one was around DevOps, and we were actually rated the highest, farthest to the right and farthest to the top. And that was based on completeness of vision and ability to execute. And I think our customers see this in time to value and business outcomes with implementing the GitLab platform.
Brian, one of the things that it seemed like the company might be at risk of is AI being used by small businesses, individuals that don't maybe have extreme code skills or don't have a team of coders to kind of plug in what they want and get something back, build an app from that. So obviously you've been able to ward that off. Is that by harnessing AI on your own? Tell me how you are navigating that, and if it is a challenge at all.
Yeah, great question. There's been a lot of discussion about AI over the last year. AI is super important. The number one thing we want to do at GitLab is make the developer, the security, and the operations personas more effective to deliver software. AI is a way to do that. And on our earnings call, we talked about 3 customers that adopted our AI features in their development process: Barclays, F5, and KeyBank. And so, everybody is evaluating AI solutions and seeing how it will impact their development cycles.
Okay, and right now, can you upcharge? Can you upsell? Have your prices changed as you are utilizing this new technology? I imagine that if it's as big as it is, you might be able to squeeze a little extra juice from it.
Yeah, we're a seat-based model, and so when you buy GitLab Premium or Ultimate, it's per seat. And for our AI features that we have, we just launched GitLab Duo Enterprise that just went GA this past month, and it's a seat-based pricing. And so we think that early in a big market, the $40 billion TAM that I mentioned, it's really important to be seat-based. And so in the procurement process, it's easier to know exactly what you're going to spend, and so you can budget accordingly.
Okay. Right now, when you're getting new customers, how big are those deals, and what are the size of those companies? Are there still pretty big fish to catch out there? Or at this point, is it smaller businesses, startups?
Yeah, absolutely. I was really happy with the strength of the enterprise customers this quarter. Customers over 100K in ARR grew 33% year over year. Ultimate, which is our highest priced product that has advanced security and compliance features in it, grew over 50% of bookings. It was over 50% of bookings and now comprises of 47% of total ARR. So, we do see sort of a cautious spending environment out there, but we have seen stabilization from prior quarters, and we do see strength in the enterprise.
Okay. Brian, thanks for the catch up. Appreciate the details.